Here's a fun topic: gift cards. Spike Duff's Bar and Grill opened for business in November 2024. During its first 2 months of operation, the restaurant sold gift cards in various amounts, and the total of the gift cards sold was 10,000. These were mostly holiday gifts. They are redeemable for meals within 2 years of the purchase date, although the experience in the restaurant industry indicates that the gift cards will be redeemed within 1 year. Gift cards totaling $2,500 were presented for redemption during 2024 for meals having a total price of $4,000. So, as of the end of the year, already 2,500 of the 10,000 had been used. By the way, the sales tax rate on restaurants is 4%, as assessed at the time the meals are purchased, not the gift cards. Sales taxes will be remitted in January. Okay, so the requirements: prepare the appropriate journal entries for the gift cards and meals sold during 2024. So we're going to get a little bit of a review of sales as well, along with taxes collected. But we'll see, we'll focus on this in here on the accounting for the gift card. We'll also determine the liability for gift cards to be reported on the December 31, 2024 balance sheet. Okay, so please go ahead and, as always, work the case. Record the entry to sell when the gift cards are sold. Record the entry when they're redeemed. And I'll see you in a moment. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you found that fairly straightforward. When the gift card is sold, we debit the cash we received, and we credit not sales, but a deferred gift card revenue liability account. So there were several entries as we sold these, but they summed to $10,000. So in the deferred gift card liability revenue account, the deferred gift card revenue liability account, because it's a deferred revenue, the sum of the credits were $10,000 at the end of the year. That's to record the sale of the gift cards, and I show the ledger account in T-account form over to your right there. Now, 2,500 were presented for sale. So let's assume, for example, that this was one sale. Sales revenue is $4,000 because, remember, the meals had a price of $4,000. As a result, and taxes are 4%, so they also owe us taxes of $160 on the meal. And so they had to remit $4,160 worth of value, which they did in the form of the $2,500 gift card and an additional $1,660 of cash, representing the $1,500 of cost beyond the gift card. $4,000 is the total. The gift card is only for $2,500, so we have an additional $1,500 to pay there, and we had to pay the $160 sales tax. So that's the entry there. And when we post that deferred gift card revenue amount, that brings the liability account balance down to $7,500 from $10,000 at the end of the year. And that will be the liability we'll report on the balance sheet for deferred revenue or gift cards we still owe the meals for. Now, in our facts, I mentioned that the experience of the industry there is that 100% of the cards would be redeemed within a year. So we expect 10,000 to be redeemed. Thus, the entire 7,500 will be a current liability because it's expected to be redeemed, zeroed out next year. In reality, we know that often gift cards are not redeemed within 1 year. If we have a solid prediction of what won't be redeemed in a year, then that amount will be reported as a non-current liability because it's going to be redeemed in later than 1 year from now. But in this case, we expect that to be zero, that all the gift cards will be redeemed as of a year from now. Okay, and that's gift card accounting. So this is when the gift card was sold. This is when gift cards are redeemed. And this is the calculation of the liability at the end of the year. And that's gift card accounting. Bottom line, when we sell the gift card, it's not sales, it's a liability. We do get the cash, but we have a liability for future redemption of those gift cards. When they then come in and redeem the gift cards, we have a sale, which will be paid for at least partially using the gift card. All right, and that's gift card accounting. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, of course, we can discuss it further. Have a great day.